Is it okay to use AI to critique your copy as a beginner? Yes, 100%. You should be using AI to critique your copy. Absolutely. It's one of the best resources you can use. This is another reason why it's such a good time to get into copywriting, because of AI to make your job easier. Yes, I use AI to give me feedback on my writing. I use AI to critique my copy, to edit my copy. I use AI to polish my copy up. Wait, what, Brandon? But you've been doing this for 7 years. Why are you doing that? Because having AI to review your copy is like having another copywriter review your copy. What a weird thing. Why is that important? Well, if you look at the goat of copy, Gary Halbert, this guy right here, the guy who sold $1 billion as a copywriter, the #1 of all time, Gary Halbert often took his sales letters and ads and gave them to other great copywriters, other A-list copywriters, Gary Bencivenka, John Carlton, other dudes, to review his copy and give their thoughts and their perspective. He would almost, this guy would run huge campaigns. So like every sales letter was like a major deal for him. He wasn't ripping out daily emails, but like each piece, he would be getting multitudes of copywriters to give their thoughts on the piece, and he would take feedback from them. So yes, go get your copy reviewed and critiqued by AI. But here's the big but. If you just get AI to review your copy and you are not reading books and not going through courses and not getting your copy reviewed by successful copywriters, real human copywriters, you are not going to know if the feedback is good or bad. And AI does not give 10 out of 10 advice or feedback all the time. And it does not write 10 out of 10 copy. It might give you, if you put your copy into ChatGPT or Claude right now and say, tell me how to improve this, give me 10 tips. I guarantee you, if you just go to Claude or ChatGPT and say that today, basic prompt, give me 10 tips to improve my copy. 5 or 6 of those tips will be pretty good. They'll be pretty good. 4 or 5 of those tips are going to be foolish. They are going to be stupid, and it's going to be wrong. AI is not there yet where you can just be like, just make it way better, AI. And I don't know if it ever will completely get there. Maybe, I don't know for sure. But you cannot just fully rely on AI to critique your copy without you judging it. When I talk to AI, I know ahead of time it's going to give me 10 pieces of advice on my copy, and 4 of them I'm going to spit out the bones and I'm going to chew the meat, spit out the bones. It's going to give me dumb advice too. Now, how can you judge whether it's good or bad advice? The only way is getting into core foundational copy principles, getting your brain leveled up as a copywriter, getting rating feedback from successful copywriters, hand copying, studying high-performing sales letters, and then talking to AI. I am a better copywriter now because of AI. But if I strictly relied on AI to be my brain for all of my copy work, I'd be screwed. I'd never hit 10K a month. And nor will you if you think like that. That's not AI copywriting. That's not how it works. Being an AI copywriter means building a foundation as a copywriter and then stacking AI on top as a technology. Just like copywriters before the internet who used to write ads in newspapers, they took their core skills. The guys who made the most money in the .com boom as copywriters, guess what they did? They took their ad copy skills in newspapers, learned what the heck Google was, Facebook, Instagram, and ripped up their same skills into the internet world and made 10 times the money. They didn't succeed because of the internet. They took their success with their copy skills, their core copy skills, and stacked on a technology to get 10 times more reach. The same thing is true now with AI here. AI is not a skill in and of itself. It is not a business in and of itself. And if you think you're a copywriter because you click an AI prompt and never read a book or get a course or get coaching, you're not a copywriter. Don't fool yourself. You're never going to hit 10K a month. I guarantee it. It's not going to work like that. AI is a multiplier. It is a tool to get more out of what you already have. So you build your core copy skills up and then you stack AI on top. That is how this works. So just be very careful with AI, how you use it. Yes, you should use it. Yes, you should critique your copy with AI. Yes, it is the best thing to go. I would never tell someone going forward, do not use AI at all. It is now the future. You need to learn it. But it is the multiplier. It is not the skill in and of itself.